Hi, this is Shanker, and the next nakshatra I'm going to discuss is Punarvasu Nakṣatra. Now, the Punarvasu Nakṣatra is from 20 degrees of Gemini, starting from 20 degrees of Gemini to 3.20 degrees of Cancer. I mean, the spread of 13 degrees, 20 minutes. So, 20 degrees of Gemini to 3.2 degrees of Cancer. It goes from Gemini into Cancer. The lord of this nakshatra, the planet which rules the entire nakshatra, is Jupiter. But what is important is for you to understand how the nakshatra functions, and the way the nakshatra functions, which actually color the planets which are there in the nakshatra. And if the moon is there, then you are born in Punarvasu Nakṣatra, and you would mind to at least function this. Also see the ascendant. I mean, I may miss something in the last video, which I again repeat here, so that is for your benefit. Like when I was talking about Adara, I mentioned about certain traits of Nakṣatra which I had forgotten. So that is what in Punarvasu Nakṣatra, the lord is Jupiter. Now this nakshatra is basically symbolized by a number of arrows in the sky, a quiver of arrows. So it is like the arrows which are there. The god which symbolizes this nakshatra is the way Lord Rama functions. It's like it's a nakshatra which is like Lord Ram in his certain of its qualities. But the main thing about this nakshatra is that it's a nakshatra which tries to take life easy. It is a nakshatra which does not want to get into the thought, the cause, the action. Take life as it comes. It's a nakshatra which tends to make a person very prone, easy towards life, take things as they are destined. Also, it's not a very easy nakshatra, because in this nakshatra the people generally don't succeed the first time. I mean, even the planet which is there, generally it's always in the second trial that the person succeeds. So anybody born in this Punarvasu Nakṣatra, which is an important thing I would like to tell you, is that always make a second attempt. The first attempt you are not going to make it. It is like, even a very important example is Arjuna, when he was going to fight for Mahabharata, he I cannot fight it. It was because of Krishna's Gita that he took up his bow and arrow. That was his second attempt. It's something like Punarvasu Nakṣatra functions in the same way. एक बार में आप करेंगे, आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. The second try जब आप करेंगे, you will make it. So that is what is Punarvasu Nakṣatra about. It's a nakshatra where there are negative traits, where a person gets कि भाई जिंदगी में क्या रखा है, जो हमारे पास है वही अच्छा है. Let's take life easy. I'm not lucky. I'm not good. So these kinds of things which are there. It's not a nakshatra where something like we talked about the last nakshatra, Adra Nakṣatra. It's a highly mental nakshatra. आदमी के अंदर रुद्र means दिमाग strong है, which I forgot to tell. It's a strong mind. Here it is an emotional nakshatra, where a mind is not very strong. A person is emotional, and if you're emotional, then you can't make it to a big way. So it's a good nakshatra, not a nakshatra like the Adra Nakṣatra or certain other nakshatras. We can't compare it, but that's what it is. It is a nakshatra जहाँ आदमी सोचता है कि भाई चल रहा है जो चल रहा है, हमको जो मिल रहा है वो ठीक है. But that is not the end. In this nakshatra, again repeat, second time you try, you will succeed in this nakshatra, and in a very big way. So that is what is the nutshell about this nakshatra, and this is what you should remember about Punarvasu Nakṣatra. And I would like to end my video here, and if you want to write to me, you can write to me at connectingminds@gmail.com. My videos are there on connectingminds.org, and my sites are Shanker Astro and Shanker Study, where you can always go and find a lot of good articles. Thanks, and bye for now.